How to use the indefinite article a and an. Let's see how it works. When we use the indefinite article a, we use nouns which start with a consonant. For example, book, car, person, tie, cat. They start with consonant. Vowel C, for example, P, for example, T, and C. Okay? So, to say a book in Spanish, we should say un libro. To say a car in Spanish, we say un auto. To say a person in Spanish, we say una persona. To say a tie in Spanish, we say una corbata. And to say a cat, we say un gato. Let's see how the indefinite article an works. Let's go on. How does the indefinite article an works? After the indefinite article an, we should use words like this: island, elephant, airplane, umbrella, orange. These nouns start with a vowel. After using an, we use a vowel noun. For example, island, elephant, airplane, umbrella, and orange. To say an island in Spanish, we say una isla. To say an elephant in Spanish, we say un elefante. To say an airplane in Spanish, we say un avión. To say an umbrella in Spanish, we say un paraguas. And to say an orange in Spanish, we say una naranja. And that's the way the indefinite articles a and an work. To check the next video, click there where the arrow points. See you in the next video. Have a great day. See you soon.